Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself wishing there was an easier way to tackle those pesky car problems, or maybe a clever trick to simplify your driving life? Well, today is your lucky day, because we're diving into 10 genius car hacks that you won't believe actually work. These aren't just quick fixes, they're smart solutions that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Get ready to transform your car ownership experience. Starting off our list at number 10, we have a lifesaver for all you pet owners out there, the incredibly simple yet effective pet hair removal hack. If your car's interior looks like a woolly mammoth shed its winter coat, you know the struggle. Traditional vacuuming often leaves stubborn hairs embedded deep in the fabric, almost impossible to extract. This hack uses something you probably already have at home to make that pet hair disappear as if by magic. Here's how it works. Grab a simple rubber glove, the kind you might use for washing dishes. Lightly dampen it with water, just a little, don't soak it, as too much water can make a mess. Now, simply wipe your gloved hand across the fuzzy upholstery or carpet. The slightly tacky surface of the damp rubber creates friction and generates a static charge, which is an electrical imbalance that causes loose pet hairs to cling to the glove. It gathers them into neat piles, making them incredibly easy to pick up and dispose of. It's truly amazing how effective this method is. Coming in at number 9, we tackle a common problem that not only affects your car's appearance but, more importantly, your nighttime visibility: hazy, foggy headlights. Over time, the plastic lens covers on your headlights can oxidize, which means they react with oxygen, causing them to become cloudy and yellow. This significantly reduces the amount of light emitted, making driving at night less safe and making your car look older. But don't worry, there's a simple, household solution. Believe it or not, ordinary toothpaste can bring those dull headlights back to life. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives, tiny scrubbing particles, that are designed to clean and polish your teeth without scratching them. Think of it like a gentle exfoliator for your headlights. These same gentle abrasives are perfect for buffing away the oxidized, yellowed layer on your headlight covers. Simply apply a dab of non-gel toothpaste to a clean cloth, rub it onto the headlight in circular motions for a few minutes, then rinse and wipe clean. You'll be amazed at the clarity you restore, improving both safety and aesthetics in one go. Moving on to number 8, say goodbye to unpleasant car odors with this incredibly simple and natural hack. Whether it's spilled coffee, gym clothes left too long, or just general staleness, persistent smells can make your driving experience far less enjoyable. Traditional air fresheners often just mask odors with strong perfumes, but this hack tackles the root cause by actively absorbing the smells, rather than just covering them up. And the best part? You likely have these odor-absorbing champions in your pantry right now. The secret ingredients are baking soda and coffee grounds. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural deodorizer because it's amphoteric, meaning it can neutralize both acidic and alkaline odor molecules. It literally traps and absorbs them, much like a sponge absorbs water. Coffee grounds, on the other hand, have a complex structure that contains activated carbon, which is excellent at absorbing a wide range of volatile organic compounds, the stuff that makes up bad smells. Just place an open container of either in your car overnight, or for persistent odors, for a few days. You'll wake up to a noticeably fresher car interior. At number 7, we have a hack that's all about making your car's interior easier to maintain: silicone muffin cups for your cup holders. Car cup holders are notorious for collecting crumbs, sticky residue from drinks, and dust, quickly becoming a real challenge to clean thoroughly. Reaching into those deep, often oddly shaped nooks and crannies can be frustrating and time-consuming. This simple solution creates a removable, washable barrier that keeps your cup holders pristine without constant scrubbing. Coming in at number 6 is a detailing secret for tackling those hard-to-reach crevices, using a foam art brush or even a Q-tip for cleaning air vents. Your car's air vents are magnets for dust and grime, and they're notoriously difficult to clean because of their intricate slatted design. A standard cloth or vacuum nozzle just can't get into those tight spaces effectively. But a simple, inexpensive art supply provides the perfect soft, flexible tool for the job, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny. At number 5, we have a temporary hero for small windshield chips: clear nail polish. Nobody wants a tiny rock chip to turn into a massive spiderweb crack that requires an expensive windshield replacement. A small chip or crack can spread due to changes in temperature, road vibrations, or even just hitting another bump. This hack won't fix structural damage, but it can help prevent a small chip from getting worse, buying you crucial time to get a professional repair and avoid a more costly replacement. The clear nail polish acts as a sealant. After cleaning the chipped area thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris, a crucial step for effectiveness, carefully apply a thin layer of clear nail polish directly over the chip. Allow it to dry completely. This creates a protective barrier that fills the tiny air pockets within the chip, preventing moisture and dirt from entering, and crucially, reducing stress points that could lead to further cracking. Remember, this is a temporary solution to mitigate further damage, not a permanent repair. Always consult a professional for proper windshield repair or replacement as soon as possible. Number 4 reveals a secret many drivers don't know: the hidden physical key in your key fob. Modern key fobs are fantastic for convenience, allowing you to unlock and start your car without ever taking a key out. But what happens when the battery dies? You can't unlock your car or start it, leaving you stranded. Most key fobs, especially those with push-button start systems, have a hidden traditional metal key tucked inside. This is your emergency backup for situations where the fob battery is dead or malfunctioning. Knowing this can save you from being stranded and calling for assistance. At number 3, we delve into minor dent removal. Now, let's be clear, this isn't for major collision damage with sharp creases or paint damage, but for those annoying, shallow dings and dents often caused by runaway shopping carts or minor bumps. The principle behind this hack relies on the metal's ability to expand and contract with rapid temperature changes. Applying extreme temperature differences to the dented area can sometimes cause the metal to pop back into its original shape. It's an amazing demonstration of basic physics in action right on your car. For this, you might try using dry ice or even just boiling water. If using boiling water, carefully pour it over the dented area, allowing the metal to heat and expand. Then, quickly push from the inside, if accessible, or apply a suction cup. For dry ice, wear heavy gloves and safety goggles. Press a block of dry ice against the dent. The rapid cooling causes the metal to contract, and as it warms, it can often spring back. Always exercise extreme caution with these methods and understand this is for minor, non-creased dents and may not work every time. Safety first. At number 2, we have essential tips for protecting your car from the bane of every driver's existence: potholes. These road craters can cause serious damage to your tires, wheels, suspension, and even steering components. While you can't always avoid them, knowing how to mitigate the impact can save you hundreds, if not thousands, in repair costs. It's all about preparation and a little bit of driving strategy, understanding how your vehicle reacts to these sudden impacts. First, maintain proper tire pressure. An underinflated tire is more susceptible to pinching and bursting against the sharp edge of a pothole, as it lacks the internal rigidity to absorb the shock. Check your car's manual or the sticker on your driver's side door jamb for the recommended PSI, or pounds per square inch. Secondly, practice defensive driving. Scan the road ahead, especially in wet conditions where potholes can be hidden by puddles. If you can't avoid one, try to slow down as much as safely possible before impact, and release the brake just before hitting it. This allows the tire to roll over the obstacle rather than being braced against it, reducing the severity of the impact. Be proactive, not reactive. And now, for our number 1 genius car hack that will change your driving life forever, especially for those who dread parallel parking: the ultimate mirror adjustment trick. Parallel parking can be incredibly intimidating, often feeling like a guessing game of how close you are to the curb, leading to scrapes or even hitting obstacles. This hack gives you literal eyes on the ground, eliminating blind spots and making perfect parking a reality every single time, with confidence and ease. Here's the trick: when you're ready to parallel park, shift your car into reverse. Then, using your power mirror controls, tilt your passenger side mirror downward so you can clearly see the rear wheel and the curb. This instantly eliminates the most common blind spot during parallel parking, the area right beside your rear wheel. You can now guide your car precisely, seeing exactly how close you are to the curb without craning your neck or guessing. Once you're parked perfectly, simply adjust the mirror back to its normal driving position. Some newer cars even have an automatic curb view mirror feature that does this for you. It's a game changer for parking perfection. And there you have it, 10 genius car hacks that you won't believe actually work. From simple cleaning solutions to smart driving strategies and emergency fixes, these tips are designed to make your life as a car owner much easier and more enjoyable. We've defined the why and shown you the how, step by step, ensuring you understand the principles behind each hack. Which one was your favorite, or do you have a genius hack we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automotive tips, and share it with a friend who could use these brilliant ideas. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.